Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. So today, as stated in the title, I am doing a red Thai curry. Yeah, it is absolutely delicious. Like guys, when I finished making that thing and I tasted it, I was like, this is like restaurant. According to me, this tastes like restaurant Thai red curry, so I'm definitely going to be making it more often. I did not have zucchini, lime, or cornstarch, but I added, you know, those flat beans. I don't know what they're called, but they're flat beans. You'll see in the video. If you know what they call, pop it, comment down below. But yeah, I used flat beans, I used lemon instead of lime, and then I used tapioca flour because that's all I had in my house. Don't even ask me why I had that flour or what that flour is. That's a story for another day. But everything ended up coming out amazing. There was no train smash. And guys, yo, the way I love coconut milk and just like those flavors. So I was really happy with the recipe. And as usual, it's extremely easy. I like to make super easy recipes that taste absolutely delicious. So yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. If you do, definitely give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to push that subscribe button and comment down below if you try it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching.